Jordan here with US Abrasives out of Minnesota, USA. Today I want to talk to you about one of our top sellers, the Premium Half Bar Titanium Shredder. Now this is basically a tool that is made for removing of coatings. So if you have a soft buildup coating, you want to remove an epoxy, you want to remove an underlayment, you want to remove thin set, you want to remove mastic, adhesives in general, this is a phenomenal tool versus a PCD. A PCD might leave some rogue scratches, some gnarly scratches here and there, and you have to take out the scratches with like a 25-30 style diamond. With this tool, you're going to prep faster. Your execution per hour is amazing. Your cost per square foot is, look, $15.84 to take a try to see if this tool is going to remove a coating faster versus what you're currently relying on. That, like $142.56 for a set of 9 pieces, that's your risk. Try it out. We have 100% credibility. No one dismisses our tools. And this tool right here is a top seller. It will probably sell it fast. We do hold rain checks, so if you want them when they are replenished, we'll call you up and say, hey, half bar titanium shredders are in stock. Do you want a set? Normally they all say yes. So for more information, message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives out of Minnesota, USA. Today I want to talk to you about one of our top selling hybrids, the 3-inch 76mm tank hybrid grinding pad. This is a tool that's to be used wet. We do have a lot of installers who love using it dry. I just find there's a lot of transfer dry. Now this tool is 12 millimeters thick. Now its weight versus in your palm of your hand versus like a 10 segmented 3-inch full face disc, it weighs more. It effortlessly removes coarse metal scratches and leaves a very subtle fine scratch pattern. When you use these up to the 400 grit and you do your measurements with like the right instrument that does the DOI, the gloss, and the haze, our numbers will outbeat everybody else's. I mean, get the instruments and do your own measurements. The proof's in the pudding. Cost per square foot, this tool being on special at $30.52 each, and a set of 9 being $274.68 is probably going to be around a penny. So they do have a great, they do last a long time. They work great on light machines, on heavy machines, and they can be used faster versus slower. So you can definitely walk faster and push some production rate, some good square footage per hour. For more information, message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives out of Minnesota, USA. Today I want to talk to you guys about the 5-inch 125mm Cobra concrete cup wheel. This is a tool that has 12 segments. It's basically considered a premium. So each segment holds a very heavy concentration of diamond, and it's great for heavy stock removal. You could run the edge grinders faster, so your angle grinders you could run faster. This is great for removing like residuals. So if you have like polyurethane residual or a coating residual or a glue or anything like that, it removes it fast. If you just want to level the concrete, removes it fast. Has a great wear rate. I mean, cost per linear square foot is probably a penny. And they're one of our top. They are our top seller for cup wheels. 100% it's our top seller, and they come in low profile or 5/811 treaded. For more information, message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives out of Minnesota, USA. Today I want to talk to you about the RF magnetic series for the Werkmaster. So instead of being married to the Werkmaster's tooling for the plug and go, and being married to what they say goes for removal of coatings or prepping soft concrete or preparing a floor for a high buildup coating, and you're spending thousands of dollars on a set of diamonds that just do not perform to your liking. Well, with the RF magnetic series, you open up your grinder. You can basically purchase diamonds from anybody. If you're in no man's land, you're doing a job, and you're like, oh man, I gotta call for diamonds to get a next day order, and that adds up to your price, take away from your profit. Instead, you can see a company that sells diamonds right in the backyard, buy them, cost landed lower, and doing this, maybe finding diamonds that work better for your backyard, finding a supplier that does all the R&D in your backyard on the concrete that you work on, you could, basically, support their business. And at the end of the year, you could see a lot of savings, probably north of 10%. That's a lot of money. It adds up. For more information, message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives out of Minnesota, USA. Today I want to talk to you about one of our old best sellers, the double bar, full bar, 40 grit soft bond concrete grinding plate. A great tool for hard concrete. The 40s is one of our top sellers. I mean, you're paying $15.84 each, and for a set of 9, you're paying $142.56. This tool is 2 segments. They're both 40 millimeter by 10 millimeter by 10 millimeter. They're in the bi-directional format, so you can go in forward and or reverse. Cost per square foot's between 2 to 3 cents a square foot. And I mean, look, this is great for lightweight machines, heavy machines, and it's great for heavy stock removal, just general prep. I can remove coatings, no problem. If you're on hard slab and you just nothing else is, opening it up, this is a great tool to start with. For more information, message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives out of Minnesota, USA. Today I want to talk to you about the dual PCD coating removal tool. This tool we've been selling for near 2 decades. It's a PCD, which is polycrystalline. This means that doesn't when you're grinding, the coating doesn't heat up and smear and smudge all over the place. So you can actually do a clean removal. So for coatings, it's going to eliminate it fast. It can remove mastics, paints, thin sets, epoxies, sticky glues, no problem. And it leaves a very nice profile. It has a stabilizer wear bar that basically making sure that you don't leave all these nasty rogue scratches throughout the surface. So it leaves a more of a uniform scratch profile. It has a great wear rate. Cost per square foot should be around 2 to 5 cents. Now, you definitely can speed up when you're grinding, so versus the norm, your production rates per hour will be higher. For more information, message me now.